Hi guys, I'm here with an unboxing of an Emirates Boeing 777-300ER. It's a Gemini jet plane, Emirates official licensed product, scale 1 to 400, Boeing 777-300ER. Emirates official licensed product, emiratesofficialstore.com. It is a website where you can buy all these models. 1 to 400 scale aircraft, Boeing 777-300ER, a picture of the aircraft. Here, the aircraft. The same. I bought it at Dubai International Airport. Okay. We will unbox it now. Here comes the aircraft. Okay, we start with the front. Copy windows, Boeing 777-300ER. Front door, Emirates, www.emirates.com. Emirates in Arab, logo of Emirates in Arab. The flag of Emirates, A6-ECL. And the other side, we have the cargo doors here, here, and here. The engines are highly detailed, and on the top of the plane we have a lot of writings which are very small. I can't even read it. We have antennas. Okay. Front view of the aircraft. Side view. Back view. And in the aircraft we have Emirates Gemini jet. The landing gears, in this model the landing gears cannot roll. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.